A good afternoon, everyone. Welcome. Today, in the additional of the yesterday's newspaper, the yesterday's newspaper on Saturday, August the 5th, 2023. It's actually today, Sunday, and Sunday we don't receive any newspaper. We have here in this additional 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. And in Dutch they call it cipher block. In Japanese, suguru. It's a kind of a jigsaw puzzle. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle, and these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only 4 of them I will solve. Why? Well, otherwise it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, what otherwise I it's a day job for me then. In the evening I have also as promised the Samurai Sudoku, aka quintuplet. But let me start with these 4 puzzles. I will do the 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, tectonic with 4 stars, and the binary. And the first one will be number 6874. Yes, before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, usually the 3 stars has 25, but this one has 26 printed digits. So actually it's a 2 stars. It's a kind 26 is a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Well, 26, I think 2 stars, so it should be 15 to 20 minutes. We will see. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see the 7 in this column, the 7 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7. Alright. How about 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there. Yeah, 3 in this row, no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5, 5, 5, 5. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. Here, 5 in the middle row, no 5 in those 3 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the second row. No 5 there. 5 should be there. Alright, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 in these 2 boxes. Here, 5 in the middle row, so no 5 in those 3 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column, 5 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the second row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. Alright. Then, 9. Need a 6 there. Alright, 7, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in one of those two boxes in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Alright, 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So in the row between, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. Or there we see 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. Alright. 7. Cannot continue with the 7 now. Need to wait. We have 1 in this row. 1 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 4 in the first column. 4 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this second column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, and a 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. Then. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, okay. 9. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. We have a 9 in the last row, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square should be there. So we have a 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Do we have all the 9s? No. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. Here 9 in that row, so no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 9. Alright. Then. Let me see. Need an 8, need a 7. I need a 1 here. Need a 1. Alright. 2 and 8. 2 and 8. How about we need a 4 here, need a 4 in here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 6. We have a 4 and a 6 in the last row, so no 4 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. The 4 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright. And 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes down. 4 in the third row, 4 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4. Cannot continue with the 4 now. How about 2 missing numbers in the third row? For the numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So we have 8 in this. Oh, wait. 1 box left in this column for number 1. All right. 1. All right. Then one number left in this column for number the one that 2 is missing. Interesting. 2. And well, 5, 8, and 6. No. I need to wait there. One box left in the first row for number the one. The 2 is missing. Yeah. 2. 8 and 6. Well, we have 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, let me mark those. 6 and 8. That means we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box can be 6 and more. This box should be a 4 then. And that box should be a 6. Alright. 1 box left in this row for the man. The 1, the 2 is missing. Okay. Now we have the 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there, and I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 2 should be there, and I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes here. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. Yeah, 4 is missing. So 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 8 goes there. Then 1 box left in the middle column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. Wow. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Then. Yeah. 1 box left in the second row for the The 1 is missing here. 1, yes. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 8 goes there. 8 and a 6. We have 8 in this third column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier. The 5, we have a 5 now in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 6 goes there. We have 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, only place left for 8 should be there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. 2, 3, and a 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well, 14 minutes. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes, so I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also for the best self. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.